Do you want to find the best hot items and make big profits? Then, keeping your listings fresh and hot constantly is crucial for your business. Yes, you definitely need to put in some effort in order to catch the trends. But when a season is changing, they are must-dos for all of you. Fall is just around the corner and the smart ones among you already think about updating their stores accordingly. Good job, guys! In this video, I will reveal 5 great niches and their best-selling products for September 2021. If you follow my advices, you will get great advantage over the competition because you would act faster. Bullseye! Our team at Trackerbot has an enormous amount of data for bestsellers from past years. And yes, I'm going to reveal some of them. Many new hot items to list, resulting in many more sales which lead to great profits. But many sales means constant issues with unsupported tracking numbers. And I know the perfect way to solve the ever-standing problem with trackings. It's called Trackerbot. Check it out for free right now and get a 50% discount for the first month. Just sign up to my YouTube channel and subscribe through the link below. You'll definitely experience the benefits for your store. Okay, let's start with one of our favorite categories. During September, kids return to school. Most parents want the best conditions for their loved ones. And that's why now is the time to think about listing some school stuff. Here, I most definitely recommend listing school desks and chairs. Yes, some of them are considered large items, and I have spoken about the risks and headaches of dropshipping XXL-sized products. But there's a catch with school desks and chairs. First of all, they're designed especially for kids, which makes them smaller and than adult-sized desks and chairs. And usually people buy one desk or one chair. This eliminates the risk we have with patio sets, for example. Very often with sets of chairs there are problems like one missing chair or damaged parts. This probability is very diminished with single school desk or chair. Here I give you another of my successful items. This set of a desk and chair sold by Amazon made me hundreds of dollars of profit. And its advantages are obvious. Smaller size, strong enough to remain undamaged during delivery, cool design, good price. What more? But since it's sold by Amazon, most often it was delivered by Amazon Logistics. And you have troubles with Amazon tracking numbers when dropshipping on eBay. If you find this quite problematic, the solution is by subscribing to Trackerbot. It will automatically convert unaccepted trackings by Amazon to Blue Care Express trackings, which are fully integrated with eBay. Issues removed, time saved. Still 2021, still COVID-19 pandemics. Despite hundreds of millions of vaccine shots given, the pandemic is far from over. Unfortunately, of course. Chances are that partial or full lockdowns will be applied in many parts of the United States because of the colder weather. Therefore, one very smart category to start listing is home gym equipment. We all saw how much we missed sport activities during the first lockdowns. The only option for many of us was to practice some exercises at home. Additionally, during the first lockdown, many shops went quickly out of stock, many merchants boosted the prices of regular items, and it was not easy to find proper equipment at a reasonable price. And there's a variety of home gym equipment worth listing on eBay. From simple roller wheels through full dumbbell sets to indoor cycling bikes. Different people prefer different options to keep good shape, that's why do your research and always pick items with many positive reviews. My favorite here, and one I, except for selling on eBay, bought myself, is this dip stand station. Men are crazy about dip stand stations, and this one is excellent. With adjustable height and width, good price and fast shipping. Give it a try. The next two categories are a bit of forward thinking. From September till December, there are plenty of highly praised and very popular holidays. Normally, dropshippers have great harvest around in November and December because of Christmas and New Year's Eve. But there are also plenty of problems during those months. Shipping companies are overengaged, many items actually go out of stock without mention. People became angry because they won't have their presents on time. You got me. One great way to take advantage of the millions of sales occurring before the end of the year is to start listing Halloween and Christmas items right now. Those are categories number 3 and 4. This way you'll take a big piece of the pie and we'll also find out which items are best sellers this year earlier than most of your competitors. And data here is key. For both Halloween and Christmas, the people love decorating their homes abundantly. There are countless options for home decoration and most of them secure great profits. Let me show you my personal favorite from last year's Halloween frenzy. This Halloween ghost hanging decoration outdoor decor. I made tons of sales on this one. Cheap price definitely creates Halloween mood and it's not risky. It's made of a single piece fabric which reduces the chances of it being damaged or torn. It's also lightweight which makes it easy for delivery. Give it a try. Patio and garden, our last category. This is one of the best categories for the spring-summer season, but not only. Having a garden or patio requires constant care throughout most of the year. And this means different items each season. During September, the people start searching for obvious power and hand tools. It's called fall for a reason. The leaves are falling all the time. And that's annoying, isn't it? So, one of the best products you can start listing right now are leaf blowers. Americans love their patios clean and tidy. And this is one of the must-have instruments for a tidy garden. There are plenty of good choices on both Walmart and Amazon in the cheap and expensive price ranges. Cheap leaf blowers guarantee you a lot of sales for small profits, whereas expensive ones, few sales with big margins. Be careful with Vero dough. Another option for great item to sell in this category is also related to arranging your garden. During the summer, plants grow like wild, rapidly. It's a necessity to take proper care for them before winter. Therefore, my next recommendation are tree bush cutters and electric trimmers. By the way, I just bought one electric hedge trimmer and made my life much easier. I totally adore it. And by no means I'm an exception. Easy to use and maintain, save you a lot of time, makes your patio look magnificent. Last fall, but also this spring, I have listed a few leaf blowers, but the one that performed best on my eBay store was this cordless leaf blower. I don't know why it outperformed the others by tens of sales per month, but the buyers simply loved it. Almost no issues with returns and delays, and it was also very highly reviewed. So, start listing and selling tree bush cutters right now. Alright guys, I gave you some tips about taking advantage over the competition. Starting selling earlier is always a good idea. You diminish the risk of items getting out of stock, respond properly to demand of early buyers, collect info about most bought and liked products. So, listing items in those categories during September is definitely worth it. Profits are guaranteed, and if well updated, your store will explode during October, November and December. Start now. So many sales will bring you some troubles with unsupported tracking numbers though. But this problem has a very simple solution: signing up for Trackerbot. Try it out right now for free through the subscription link below and ease your life. Hit the likes and subscribe buttons and share the word.